In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer Roblox account to another device. First thing you need to do is go to your device's app store. Then download and install the Roblox app on the new device you want to transfer your account. Now launch the Roblox app on the new device. Enter your username and password you used to your account to log in. If you forgot your password, just click Forget Password and follow the steps to reset it. Sometimes Roblox may ask for additional verification for security reasons. Follow the instructions to verify your account via email or phone. And once logged in, you will see all your games, friends, and Roblox balance just as on your previous device. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.